Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 69. We're continuing our look around San Francisco. We've just departed Pier 33 aboard the Alcatraz Clipper and are heading across the bay towards Alcatraz Island. If you notice a few drops on the lens, my apologies. That's just a bit of sea spray from the crossing. The breeze coming off the water here can shift quickly, especially with the changing tides. San Francisco Bay is a remarkable body of water. It's the largest estuary on the Pacific coast of North America, covering more than 1,600 square kilometers when you include its connected wetlands. It's formed where the Sacramento and San Joaquin rivers meet the ocean, bringing in fresh water from nearly half of California before mixing with salt water from the Golden Gate. That constant exchange of tides and river flow makes the bay one of the most biologically productive ecosystems in the state. The water here is also shallow, in many places only 10 to 15 meters deep, which means the currents can be strong and unpredictable. The entire bay breathes twice a day with the tides, moving billions of liters of water through the narrow Golden Gate Strait. Those fast-moving currents are what gives the surface its swirling patterns and whitecaps, even on calm days like this one. As we travel about two-thirds of the way across, look around the horizon. To the west is Angel Island, once used as an immigration station. To the north, Tiburon and Sausalito, and to the east, the Bay Bridge stretching towards Oakland. The waterway we're on is a vital corridor, not just for ferries but for shipping, research and environmental monitoring. Beneath us run sensor arrays that measure salinity, temperature and water levels as part of the San Francisco Bay Observing System, helping scientists track climate and sea change in real time. Every crossing tells part of that larger story, of a natural harbour shaped by geology, tides and human use. And despite its calm appearance, this is one of the most carefully managed maritime zones in the country, balancing heavy boat traffic with habitat protection. That concludes today's episode. A short but scenic trip 2/3 of the way to Alcatraz, across one of the most studied and significant bays in the world.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.